Good morning, good afternoon, whichever and wherever city you are watching from, it doesn't matter. I take this opportunity to greet each and everyone and welcome you once again to watch my video. Thank you once again. This is EBM, my YouTube channel name is LUKELA. Thank you once again. God bless you. And a lot has happened, and maybe with the time you'll have to get to know. I've not been active the last like 10 days, but all the same, in our local language Kiswahili, kuteleza sio kuanguka. We have to wake up and maybe you'll have find the best way to handle some of the issues that might have made to our downfalls and all that. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys, and I am humbled. I stand to be corrected. I'm here, and learning is a process. Thank you once again. Thank you again, and be blessed. May I humbly request those viewers who forgot to subscribe, please kindly make some move and make me happy. I want to keep moving, especially when I woke up I found miracles, found 20 subscribers. That's a very big mileage. Thank you once again. And all alone I've struggled, and the mileage I've reached, I think it's God's mercy. And even you subscribers coming back to watch my vlog, it's not just, it can't be taken for granted. Thank you. Pick up to those guys who are making positive efforts towards YouTube. I don't want to mention them, but each and everyone, God bless you. God bless you very much. Welcome you today to my vlog. Eldoret, East Africa, exactly at 12:45 hours. We are happy because the climate has changed a little. Sorry, it has been raining heavily, but right now you can see it's sunny. A very good sign for us. We are a little happy because even all the products that were ready, continuous rainfall might destroy them. Thank you once again, and I will welcome you guys and feel most welcomed. Thank you. Be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe. Go. This corn plant is just like some 1 or 2 days I'll be removing them to plant the beans. It has been raining for 1 month, for almost 1 month heavily, and that has affected their process to dry up. But they are fully right now, even if you can see them green, because of the climatic condition here in Eldoret. It is normally like cold and all that, and so since it is high, the rate at which it does the process is slow. And as green as they are dry enough someone can have some food. In my traditional language where I come from, yes, Tongaren, they say Uyaya is the first corn flour food product that we can get from this. They are normally delicious, soft and all that, and tender. Buyaya, normally they eat with something special, if anything, meat or fish or something, to sort of celebrate and appreciate God for the harvest. Yeah, I don't know whether I do it, but I'm praying to God that one day. Pick up to those guys who are following me, and especially from South Africa. I will not forget. Pick up to, I want to mention her name, but one day, one time. Thank you. Be blessed. Please show some love. Yes, show some love. Someone said we have more than 5 billion tests in the world. Yeah, yes. People want this, but anyway, I feel like this one will have to educate and entertain someone, guys. And if you failed, I've done something. Show some gestures, because from day one when I was planting, I started showing you this progress. Though at the end, heavy rains has affected most parts of this Nene. They are fallen because it was heavily and downpour and all that. And who am I? I'm here to make sure that I deliver. As I said, a promise is a debt. Yeah, thank you very much. I feel most welcome. Guys, this is my project I started yesterday. They are ready to dry up so that we practically do the thing. And these are the dry balls yet waiting for our action. And maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I feel that you saw it. Thank you once again. We are hoping all will be the best for us in this institution. Remember yesterday I had started official organic mulching officially to be somehow improved. There's a layer, you can see a layer of the dead maize cones and all that categorized in portions. This is one portion and this is another one. Up to there is a pond over there, then it comes like that. Basically this one works well and prevents moisture loss, increases in the nutrients and the organic minerals basically. Yes, you can see there was a debate for the dead corn remains, and then later on we added the grass on top. This basically, it can go for a very long time. And why I started with this part is because we have trees here and trees uses the water around. So these are the beds that usually starts to dry up during dry season. And that is exactly what I've done starting with this project around the trees, because we have roots down that will have to consume water, and then this place will have to dry up, making us desperate. Proactive, isn't it? Thank you. Anybody watching this video, please share the comment and say where you are watching me. I will appreciate it. Thank you. Be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment here. I will appreciate it. Thank you once again. Thank you once again. Just bought fats in a shop in the neighborhood, and I'm heading back. Thanks guys. Once again I wish to reiterate and say that I am humbled. I stay to be guided, and then I believe there is someone who has never reached this place, even the social media. Please join me. Now going back, the beautiful scenery in Eldoret, especially the new houses being developed, admirable. I'm just coming from KCC milk shop. There's a shop over there where they say they sell their products immediately from the factory. There is the yogurt, there is whatever and whatever, even tea there is there. So I decided today, why not? Why not? LUKELA also to be counted there. I rarely go to town, but today I used this one. I bought this one to keep me moving. Thank you once again. Exact time here is 1300 hours. In other terms, it's 1 p.m. here in Eldoret, East Africa. Kudos to you guys. And Marwa, I've just seen your video in Nairobi, heading somewhere. God bless you, your journey. May God be with you. Someone said that a tree that has fruits admirable. People may look stones to throw at it so that the fruits may fall down, they eat. Don't worry. There are very many people who follow you that like what you do. Doesn't matter. You don't have to be loved by all people in the world. Even the president rules, but not all people can love him or vote for him. So, that having been said, That having been said, I stand correction, and I'm also learning a lot, and especially for the last like 1 month, I have done very little, guys, and I promise, expect the best from now. I'm now up with my 2 feet, and I'm telling you, I'm going to correct where I failed, because as a human, you have to fail down, because the road is slippery. The road is somehow challenging. There are obstacles. There are many things on the road, guys, and that's why, as the wise man said, learning is a process. Here I am. Here I am, guys, and I want to prove to them that I have to exist, bearing in mind that God is there, and my destiny, I know it one day, one time. Yesterday, I got additional 50 subscribers. That's very nice. Very nice of it. Very nice of it, and I'm heading now to my location, having gotten the fats. I only went to collect these fats. Thank you, guys, and I was just talking to a pool table guy just behind me, and I'm now leaving. To be honest, I admire the houses you are seeing ahead of me on my immediate left, and they are admirable. And one day, one time, one day, one time, one day, one time. My fathers opened the doors for me, especially. I have been praying to God each day, and I believe God is with me, because you cannot physically see him. Very nice gate. I admire, but anyway, admiring doesn't mean that I'm jealous. It's just that maybe I'm patient to wait for my opportunity. That is the exact view of one of the residential development areas here. And nice project. There is a wheat planting just there, and a beautiful house. Wheat, I like wheat. Basically, in this region, most rich people, big plantation, they plant wheat production. Yeah. Apart from maize, on large scale, the largest land scales farmers here, they plant wheat. If anybody knows wheat, that's wheat, but it's just on a small scale, because like last year he planted is it finger millet or sorghum? Finger millet. Yeah. My immediate right is 7 quarters for the biggest college here in Eldoret, called RVTTI. RVTTI, Rift Valley Technical Training Institute. Very big, guys, and that is doing well. In some of my videos, you trace back, you may see I showed you the gate entrance and all that. Ahead of me is the Eldoret milk shop. Eldoret milk shop is there's a shop there. They normally sell products from the factory, and I felt I want, like, I don't know if I can buy something. Nataka kitu kama mafuta ya kupiga iko. No, na ile specifically ya nini hakuna ya maziwa. Yenu.
Okay.
Which one? No, hii ni kaniti anaweza kufanya kama ni fats ya kawaida. Okay, how much is this?
Ini 5 what? Number 4? 515.
515. Na ile kubwa?
Kubwa ni 930.
Na hii ni nini?
Hii ni powder milk.
Powder milk?
Yeah.
How much is it?
It is 3100.
3100.
Yeah, 2.5.
Someone with 10 family member, how long can he use this one? You don't know?
It depends because ili kama unataka ile consider aje because your family about 10 members family
inaweza maliza mwezi
mwezi na itamaliza jiwa nini, inategemea tena uzito ya chai kama unataka cream ama ile.
For example, Luias they like light tea.
Yeah,
but for Kale short.
Yeah, understand. So it depends how bags of
okay, that one. Okay. I'll come for it. This one I'll have to come for it.
Okay.
But this one, I'm seeing it's a little expensive. But although I'll have to come for it. What other things have they added here? Do you have solid kama hii ingine aina zingine? Because ya maji. Oh. This one is somehow expensive.
Yeah.
Sato unaona?
No, this one. Not this.
This one?
Yeah.
This one is 1 kg. Sawa. But this one, at least from tomorrow, I'll be coming for it.
Okay.
Let me check on this one. Okay. There has been some like showers, just a little, but that's good for the plants and generally the region, and that's good. Yeah, and so unlike initially, there's been heavy rainfall due to economical lives. They may not be doing well, but they are doing well exactly because we are selling. At least we are lacking some coins, and when sellers come, we don't leave the coin because basically tough times ahead of us, and that's exactly the position of the greens, and doing well, though managing the whole portion difficult. That's how we have just started slowly by slowly. But when the corns are harvested, we shall try as much as we can to do the same, to make sure that they get the best care organically as wanted. Thank you once again, for the Lord has made it for us to see today, and more so the greens here. There used to be tall ones here, but we uprooted, and now younger ones on the other side doing. And the cabbages didn't do well, but all the same we haven't given up, so we are capitalizing on the greens because the cabbages we used maybe not suitable in this region, but being the first time, we are learning, guys. Thank you once again. Subscribe to my channel. That's a humble request from EBM #LUKELA. Yeah. Sometimes I ask this question: how does God work? God works in a mysterious manner, and slowly by slowly I'm learning that we have to be patient to wait for our time, because these blessings Today one is blessed, tomorrow it might be your chance. What matters is for you to be patient. I'm worried with these beans to be actually, guys, because of the heavy rain. Remember, all the initial leaves fell down and distracted, but these are just the young ones. And most of the plants have dried up because of too much. I had no otherwise. Most of the plants are now drying. You can see like yellowish. Though some have shown some young leaves, but all the same, very little hope. But as a young farmer, just like a wounded lion, we have never given up, to be honest. They are almost flowering. If you are keen on seeing these flowers. Now flowers, but the original leaves are no more. You see, it will be very weak. Yes, these are just the young flowers that has just come out in the last 1 week. But basically, most of them have dried up due to the extreme cold and rain. You can see these are dried. Oh my Lord. Yes, when visiting others, please pass over. Pass. Look at this. The yellow indicates that the coldness was too much for the plants to resist. And you can see the yellowish. The yellowish is not a good indicator. Though, as a farmer, we believe that everything has a purpose, especially if you believe in God. Look, that is the extreme cold climate here in the region for the last 1 month. The rain came just like too much. Yeah, actually worried. Look at the dry plants. Look at the dry ones. Look at the dry ones. Look at the dry ones. The dry beans. Look at the drying beans like that because of the extreme climate. Because of the extreme climate, I don't know. I don't know if I will get something, but however little, we shall have to appreciate. That is the extent of the other greens around. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That is the positionary. God bless each and everyone. God bless each and everyone abundantly. Yes. We also had to clean the flowers around the garden. Like that. Like that. Very clean compound. Thank you once again. Be blessed. Show some love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Thank you guys, and join me today as I take you for a walk today. And remember, a promise is a debt. And I remember very well I promised that I will be doing something for you guys, and that's exactly. And after having some problems, I have like done. Let me see. So I've woken up and I'm ready. And for example, this time I'm ready to do things more than I've been doing it. I want to take you and join me in a ride and walk around. There is some places people haven't reached. And maintenance happening. I'm heading somewhere. Please join me. Thank you once again. Once upon a time, someone lived somewhere became a history. A history. Mama, habari yako? Unauza? I'm just walking around here in Eldoret, South Africa, and thank you once again. Thank you once again. God bless each and everyone. Taking time, setting aside all things, and at least watching my video is a very big mileage in my life so far. It's a long journey, but remember, I heard someone say that the sky is the limit, and I've never seen someone reach the sky. And the last minute will determine whether you are successful or not, because you may be successful at this time, and the next minute the evil comes to destroy you. That's why when I slide and fall down, I pray to wake me up. Thank you once again. These are new constructions taking around our neighborhood here in Eldoret, East Africa. Nice place so that each and everyone can admire. So far, if you may remember, the beautiful sceneries, new good modern houses coming up is part of the day. Habari yako? Mzuri. Wewe mzima? Na kuku nilikuwa naona hapa. Si inakuanga kwa hii? Kama kuna mahali nipatako kuku. I'm looking for chicken. Someone. Someone sells chicken around, and I thought I may get some.